Hello guys and welcome back to another video with the blonde, the craziest blonde in a word about crypto or Web3 or perhaps in the universe, right? Before we get into any content, I would love to do my quick disclaimer. None of this content is a financial advice. You must, as always, do your own market research. Today, I want to talk about how can you start in crypto from zero? Can you actually do it? Well, you can. If you know how to trade, you better just get airdrops and start trading. Okay, so that's an easy way. If you are part of the crypto community, getting airdrops and trading the money from airdrops and slowly growing your wallet, even if it's like 50, 10, 20. But if you want more into the long term, which I'm kind of deep in, I would definitely recommend you to access cryptojobs.com and have a look. I will drive you to the platform in a couple of minutes, but today I just want to talk with you to explain you that you're not going to be a multi-millionaire overnight in any industry, right? Everything you see sometimes is not true. You can't become multi-millionaire from zero overnight. It just doesn't happen. Not my case, because I came from zero too. And if you live with your parents today, or if you are in a situation that you don't have to pay rent, if you have time and flexibility, or even if you have to pay rent and if you can do an extra part time, that would be an interesting opportunity for you, not only to learn about crypto, but also on executing and growing your portfolio on a long-term token. That's how I personally did. I worked in multiple crypto jobs. Like I did marketing, development. I'm in multiple sides of the market. And if you know, you probably follow me in multiple platforms. And I just don't trade like I trade, but I don't only trade. That's what I mean. I am involved in business development. I now have agency that helped other companies grow, and we kind of diversified as well into Web2 brands, which is like normal businesses, and also Web3. We're very heavy on Web3. But what I want to tell you is that you don't have to trade every day, you don't have to trade all the time. As long as you understand how the market works, you just need to have one position that works for you. That's it. You don't have to catch every movement. You're still able to build anything you want and be a full-time trader. Like, you don't have to. I'll just do some work and have another screen here with my trading charts. That's it. I don't have to babysit my trades. While my trading is working for me, I have time and freedom to do something else. That's the main point of trading and crypto and all of that. So if I would start from zero today, I would definitely find a position, even a part-time position that pays you 1K monthly in crypto. Like, even if you, when I started, I was working for some AI tech company, and I wanted to get paid on Ethereum. So you can sometimes negotiate with these companies, even as a freelancer. You can tell them, look, I'm a freelancer. I want to do marketing. I want to do, marketing is the easiest door for you, but you can also manage communities. You can do cheating. You can do so many things, and you can earn up to 2K monthly. Or if you have a job already, and if you want to start in crypto from nothing, I would do some random freelance job and ask them to pay you in Ethereum or Solana, small coins. And that's how you can grow your crypto portfolio into something bigger. If you have a skill, if you are involved in AI, NFTs, um, however, there is always something you can do combined with this market. But the main point is, I want you to understand something. You need to understand the long term mindset. Let's say you have some kind of random job in crypto that pays you 1K monthly, and it's a part-time kind of thing, and it doesn't cost you much. You have opportunity to work from everywhere, is remote mainly. Most Web3 companies are remote, so it's also an interesting, great opportunity. You can work from anywhere in the world. All you have to do is go to the platforms, apply, and keep searching for it. Have your LinkedIn in place, and if you need help, perhaps I can just refer you to someone in the industry that I know myself. But think like this: if you receive 1K monthly in Ethereum or Solana or in any other small coin, at the end of the year, that's like 12K. 12K in Ethereum in couple of years, it's something. You need to kind of step back and think on the long term side for some time. Even Solana, like if I get paid in Solana 1K monthly, end of the year is 12K. Solana eventually will go to $300. Can you imagine that? Just do the math. So when it comes to this market, you need to be very, very focused on the long term. And that's how and why exactly I changed my agency to an incubator. And I love accelerators, but accelerators are short-term growth and I'm more a long-term person. Everything I do, I trade, I put my money back into the long term because I like to be reinvesting in crypto and also other companies. So perhaps if you have a business and you need help with, I can definitely help you. But let's go straight away into the website that I'm talking about. So let's assume that you live with your parents or something, and that's an unfair advantage. I'll tell you, if you live today with your parents, you are in an extremely unfair advantage, though. Just get a part time in crypto or even a full time and get paid in small coins. Ask the company if they can pay you in specific tokens, or even if they can't pay you in specific tokens, they will pay you USDT, and you just transfer that money into small coins that will stay here for the long term. And that's how you are going to go from zero to your potentially 150K in the cryptocurrency world. And it's very, very valuable and interesting to have a look at. Sometimes we just look into trading, but crypto has a lot more ways to gain money. You can stake this money, which is low risk too. You can do many other activities in crypto. You can lend your money to other traders. You don't have to trade if you don't feel comfortable with, but if you do, again, this money is coming from a side job that you just get. Okay, so if you don't have experience, you might earn less, but if you have experience, you might earn a decent amount, and you just put this money into Sol or Sui or Ethereum, something that is going to be here for a while, something that we know is going to perform really well. And I think is a great, interesting way to start from zero in crypto. It's a lovely way. And here we have cryptojobs.com, which is one of my favorite websites when it comes to finding crypto work. We also have Web3 jobs where you can go and search yourself. So cryptojobs.com is the fastest growing crypto jobs portal for talents and company. You can search, let's say, community. Anything related to community will be like managing community groups, like this kind of very easy stuff. You just have to monitor the groups and you can choose your region. Let's just pretend that we are in the United States today. So you just put United States community manager and search for it. And here we go. We have a lot of, social media management, social media community contractor, business developer. Roblox is looking for a senior product manager, and so on. So you have a lot of opportunities. All you have to do is build your LinkedIn profile, build your CV, come to Crypto Jobs, talk to them, send them an email, be annoying, annoy the company, talk with the employees, go to LinkedIn, find them, talk to them, and I'm pretty sure they will answer you. So imagine if you are a social media manager, they pay probably what 75 USD daily, something like this. Let's have a look. Okay, they don't have here the salary specific, but yeah, you can have a look yourself as well, but I believe it's 75 USD daily, which is not bad. It's like you can do something else and do this. It's just you're just managing an account, social media account. It's not that hard. So you got a plenty opportunities, okay? And here you have companies for companies too, and you have jobs and you have talents and you have additional services, you have blog and so on. So, yes, guys, it's very, very easy and interesting to have a look at. And I'll definitely encourage you, if you are starting today from zero, please build some capital before you start trading. especially if you live with your parents, you are absolutely advanced. Okay, just get some part-time in crypto, get something that you can start to build your portfolio. I don't know if you are into NFT collections, you can build so many things in this space, and we're very early in crypto. Okay, and I just want you to understand that if I will start again from zero in crypto, I'll definitely get a part-time job or a full-time job in crypto that pays me in crypto. I'll double my crypto and I will double back on a long-term token. So let me know, what do you think about this video, and what would you like to know if you were starting from zero up to 50K in crypto? This is what I would do. You work for 1-2 years, you double your money, and that's it. That's it. And you can start trading full time or doing whatever else full time. You can build your own agency. I don't know. You can do anything you want inside this space. We are super early. AI is also integrated these days. So it's like a smooth work going along. And I hope you liked. Do not forget, if you are visiting Blockchain Live Forum 2025 Dubai, and if you want to have a coffee with me, link down below to the tickets. So get your tickets, you get my code, the Bit Blonde, and I would love to say GM and have a crypto coffee in Dubai with you. And I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Thank you for watching. See you soon.